Today, Supreme Court justices appeared torn between the power of lower courts to issue nationwide injunctions and then the merits of President Trump's order aimed at ending birthright citizenship to children born to non-citizens in this country.
Erica Brown has more details from the Supreme Court.
Immigration advocates demonstrated outside of the Supreme Court Thursday morning, while the Trump administration presented its case to the Supreme Court that district court judges should not have the power to issue nationwide injunctions against the president's executive order ending birthright citizenship.
We have our lower courts making snap judgments on the merits that ignore the fundamental principle of the 14th Amendment, that it was about giving citizenship to the children of slaves.
Several justices took the government to task over the order, even though the merits of that case weren't before the Supreme Court.
The president is violating not just one, but by my count, 4 established Supreme Court precedents.
The government argues the lower court rulings only apply to individuals suing, but some liberal justices pressed on how that could create a confusing patchwork of rules and affect what cases reach the Supreme Court.
The government has no incentive to bring this case to the Supreme Court because it's not really losing anything. It's losing a lot of individual cases which still allow it to enforce its EO against the vast majority of people to whom it applies.
But conservative justices appear to be swayed by government arguments that impacted individuals could band together and join a class action lawsuit.
If that mechanism is available, whether one way or another, doesn't that solve a large part of the problem?
A ruling on the case is not expected until late June or early July. Erica Brown, 2 News, Nevada.